So, welcome back guys. Ayan guys, may bagong update na naman guys sa EQ3D. Ito yun guys, update nila. Siyempre, ito yun guys. Blaze Bonfire returns. Wow, still guys. Blaze Bonfire returns. Better let the Nev Blaze Bonfire is back. Earn Blaze coins and start on Bonfire with, with his specially summoning items. This is an event that will have you burning with excitement. So, ayun guys, ito lang yung baseball fest. Pag nandito sa ano yung, ano tawag dito? Si Taylor Scout. So, ito muna guys, Blaze Bonfire Returns. Siyempre. So, login na tayo guys. So, sign in with a Q3D account. Click natin dyan. Siyempre, huwag kalimutan, password. Siyempre guys, huwag kalimutan lagyan ng password dito sa EQ3D. So, so ayan guys, nandito na tayo sa character. Siyempre, so play na natin guys with Dragon. So serve natin with Dragon. Ang ganda ng ano, yung Archer class guys. Dapat may partner siya guys. Lalaki guys or boy. So ito yun guys, may bumibili na guys oh. Yung ano yung spare wings. Tingnan natin yung wings. Ito yung guys, wings. Then armor guys. Astig. Grabe guys. Astig talaga guys. Wings. Wag na yung so yun guys. Yan lang. Blitzcorn gift. So yun guys, pwede kayo mag-quiz at makakuha ka ng ano yung Bliss coin. So kailangan mo dito guys is mag-quiz. Ito yun guys, eliminate the shadow daily. So daily siya guys. Daily is may 100 token ka. Aba, 1 week din guys. Para makuha ko yung spare. 1 week. 1 week plus yata guys. Ito yun guys, accept na natin guys para makuha na natin yung Blades coins. So, let's go. Puntahan na natin guys. So yun guys, nandito na tayo guys sa anong tawag dito guys? Spot para sa quiz natin. Ito yun guys. So, timing guys, timing. So, ito yun guys. Ito. Tapos na ba? Parang may drop dito. Ay, wala. Parang may drop dito guys. Yun lang guys. Tapos na ako sa quiz. So, balik na tayo sa Battle on Town. So, yan. Ganun lang ka-easy guys. Timing lang. Yay! Bye! Meron akong, ano guys, yung Blaze coins. Blaze coins. Ayan guys. Yes, meron na ako guys. Blaze coin. So, bukas naman guys. So, ayun guys. See you in the next video guys. Thank you. So, don't forget to follow pala guys sa Facebook page ko guys. Ayan guys. And paki-subscribe naman din yung YouTube channel ko guys. Thank you for watching guys. See you in the next video.